In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Teams Copilot feature effectively. This tool can significantly enhance your experience by streamlining tasks and providing instant assistance whenever you need it. Let's dive right in and explore how you can make the most of it. First things first, make sure that you have Microsoft Teams open on your desktop or through your web browser. If you're not logged in, you'll need to enter your credentials to access the platform. Once inside, you'll notice the familiar Teams interface where you can collaborate and communicate with your colleagues. Now draw your attention to the Copilot icon. It's a helpful little feature tucked within the interface, designed to make your life easier. Click on this icon to begin interacting with the Copilot. Think of it as your virtual assistant, ready to assist you with various tasks. Once you've clicked on the Copilot icon, it's time to input your command or query. This is where the magic happens. You could type something like summarize meeting notes or any other command that fits your needs. Be clear and specific with your request to get the most accurate and helpful response. The more precise your command, the better Copilot can understand and deliver exactly what you're looking for. After typing in your query, the AI-generated response will appear. Take a moment to review this output. It's crucial to read through and ensure it meets your expectations or captures the information accurately. This step might save you time revising or adding additional context later. If the AI response meets your criteria, you can move forward to sharing or saving this output. Within Teams, you can share it directly in a chat with a colleague, or post it to a channel where your team can see it. This feature is particularly useful for keeping the team updated or storing important information that others may require later. It integrates smoothly into your workflow, minimizing any disruptions and keeping the process seamless. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to utilize the Copilot feature in Microsoft Teams. By following these steps, you can streamline your tasks, improve communication, and enhance productivity in your daily work routine. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it empowers you to leverage Microsoft Teams to its fullest potential. Thank you for joining me today, and feel free to explore and experiment with Copilot for other tasks you might encounter in your work environment.